Okay, so children, the last bar again is a poem written by Rabindranath Tagore, the Nobel laureate. As I asked, what is a Nobel Prize? It is the highest form of it is the highest form of an award which is conferred to a person in different kinds of streams. It can be literature, it can be science. And why is it so special? Nobel. What can be the literal meaning of Nobel? Something which has not deciphered, discovered before, right? And the person whosoever has contributed in that field, say like Madame Curie, she what she was awarded with. She was also awarded with the Nobel Prize for the discovery. Sorry, for the discovery or invention. Invention. Yes, invention or discovery. Can you? Yeah, thank you, Rajnish. Invention or discovery for the discovery of radium. Radium was there already there in the earth, and then it was found by Madame Curie, or Madame Curie has given birth to radium. She created radium. Was it like that?
No, ma'am. No.
So, what should be the right word?
She discovered it.
Exactly. Exactly. Are you clear now? There shouldn't be any doubt.
Yes.
All right. So, Rabindranath Tagore also has, contributed in the uh, art and literature field by writing so beautiful poems. Not only poems, but he is the person behind the uh, honorary thing, your national anthem. He was the person to think about the idea, right? And he was the first to pen the national anthem in Bangla. Firstly, the national anthem was composed in Bangla. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, Rajnish, you may switch off your camera. I have seen that you're well dressed up, right? So he has penned this beautiful poem, and what is the utility of these literature people? What kind of contribution do they make by writing such beautiful poems? Anybody can think and say the answer. Do you know, children?
And with the use of their poems, they reform the society.
Who is this? Aditya, is it you?
No, ma'am.
Huh? Who said this?
Me. Rituraj Verma. Ma'am, Rituraj.
वेरी नाइस वेरी थॉटफुल है ना. कितनी अच्छी बात बोली ऋतुराज ने. रिफॉर्मेशन, किस चीज का रिफॉर्मेशन हो रहा है? सोसाइटी का. Why does my question is, why do we need a reformation? Do you children, do you think we need reformation time to time? Say after 5 years, after every 5 years, the education system must be reviewed. That whatever policies, schemes the government has made, they should analyze it, whether the whether the objective to implement those schemes and new education policies, say for instance, it has yet not been implemented. So after, say, it get implemented with the coming March session 2022, so do you think that government should take a good analysis after 3 years, after 4 years? Is it really beneficial to Indian citizens, to Indian students, to Indian school system? Do you think it is necessary?
Yes, ma'am.
क्यों? Why? Say you're the owner of Hero Honda automobiles, or maybe you're the owner of Samsung or any XYZ brand. You have launched a new model in market. Would you not like to collect the review, the feedback? How does the product is going?
Yes, ma'am.
Why?
Yes,
Why?
ma'am. To make some changes if it's having any.
Exactly.
That's how our product is working.
Very good.
And how it is.
Very good. Why? Because we must be in position to track that if the objective of, भाई हम प्रोडक्ट किस चीज के लिए बना रहे हैं? हम लोगों की सहूलियत के लिए बना रहे हैं The government should be the people must get comfort. If I have designed a new model of, say, you must have seen this yellow kind of scooty, LML Vespa scooty. Have you seen it on roads? Its design is very unique. Have you seen it? It's very pricey.
Yes, ma'am.
है ना? So say a new a
Yes.
new a new design has been launched by me with some new features. I would definitely like to run it in the market, and then after a year, only after 1 year, I'll collect a feedback कि भाई ये कैसा performance, कितना mileage दे रहा है. Is the people, sorry, are the people who are purchasing my scooty are happy in comparison to the other models available in the market? So to keep on maintaining the utility, the hallmark, the the good value, the say, if my company should be there in the market for the coming 25 years, एक रिव्यू हमेशा जरूरी होता है ना भाई? मैं कैसा पढ़ा रही हूँ, बच्चों को समझ में आ रहा है कि नहीं, मैं पढ़ाए जा रही हूँ, मैं पढ़ाए जा रही हूँ, एंड आई हैव नॉट आस्क्ड इवन वंस, चिल्ड्रन, इज इट क्लियर टू यू? है ना? तो फिर उसका फायदा क्या है? In the same way, if the people are writing poems and writing stories, and they are actually creating a replica of what has been the tradition and culture of our Indian continent, right? So people overseas, globally, people are getting aware that okay, this is the culture, this is the tradition, this is the ritual, and na, this is the lifestyle of India. India is a continent. कॉन्टिनेंट और सब कॉन्टिनेंट? सब कॉन्टिनेंट, है ना?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
मैं भी कॉन्टिनेंट बोल रही हूँ और तुम लोग भी यस मैम ऐसे में कर रहे हो. अरे करेक्ट किया करो टीचर्स को भी. इट शुड बी सब कॉन्टिनेंट, राइट? एम आई राइट? कॉन्टिनेंट्स आर ओनली 7. ठीक
Yes,
है,
ma'am.
ठीक है, चलो, बहुत सारा ज्योग्राफी हो गया और बहुत सारा इंजीनियरिंग हो गया. नाउ लेट मी फोकस ऑन माय ओन सब्जेक्ट, इंग्लिश. So come and hire me, I cried, while in the morning I was walking on the stone paved road. Sword in hand, the king came in his chariot. He held my hand and said, I will hire you with my power. But his power counted for naught, and he went away in his chariot. So the first person to strike a bargain with this unemployed, jobless person in talk is the king, right? And the king is trying to hire the person with his power. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Right? But his
Yes,
power counted for naught. Why is he not going with the power? है ना? मैंने ऋतुराज को पावर बहुत ऑफर किया, बट ऋतुराज हैज डिक्लाइंड इट. ही सेड नो मैम, आई डोंट वांट द पावर. व्हाई सो? व्हाई द स्पीकर हैज डिक्लाइंड?
Power can fill in. No, because there is no guarantee of the power if it's going to stay for the lifetime.
All right, you got it.
Because it will disappear after some time.
हाँ
He
हाँ,
would also not be free.
correct. In a way, he will also be always abided by the power. He need to report to the king, and that power is not going to bring freedom to him. Somewhere he is in chain, right? And the power will not be there for good. Next is, in the heat of the midday, the houses stood with shut doors. I wandered along the crooked lane. An old man came out with his bag of gold. He pondered and said, I will hire you with my money. He weighed his coins one by one, but I turned away. Why did he turn away? Why? Here, the
Because money is not for forever.
very nice. Why so? How, Soumya? Today I'm carrying around, say, if I'm carrying 20 lakhs in my bank account, why you will not strike a deal with me?
Ma'am, because money will be for some time, after that it will be end.
Very good. Money has its own legs, है ना? पैसा हमेशा चलता रहता है. What does it mean? That today it's with you, someday it will not be with you, and another day it will be with somebody. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
It was evening, the garden hedge was all aflower. The fair maid came out and said, I'll hire you with a smile. Her smile paled and melted into tears, and she went back alone into the dark. Now there is a lady. She is trying to allure the person with her beauty. But she ended up being in tears. What could be the reason?
Because he refused.
Because the beauty is also not going to last.
Maybe the beauty is also not for her for the lifetime, or will not going to be lasting for the lifetime.
Yes, yes. So today we are looking so prime, है ना? Bubbly, curly. And what will be the condition after 30 years? Oh, ma'am, look at you. Are you Tarannum, ma'am? I don't think so. Ah, horrible. How she looks now? Huh? All right. So the last stanza say, the sun glistened on the sand and the sea waves broke waywardly. A child sat playing with shells. He raised his head and seemed to know me and said, I hire you with nothing. I hire you with nothing. From thenceforward, that bargain struck in child's play made me a free man. So, who can tell me the last stanza? Crux. Quick, quick. I hire you with nothing. What is the meaning of this thing? The child has nothing to offer, but yet the bargain is done. Why?
Ma'am, it means that the child has nothing to hire him, but he hires him with the freedom.
With the freedom,
Yes.
with the freedom which the child has. आप लोग free हैं कि
Yes,
नहीं?
ma'am.
Do you have any burden?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any
No,
burden?
ma'am.
Only studies, हाँ? Only studies. ठीक है? Many might be crying by remain mute. Oh, ma'am, come on. We are so much burdened. But actually, you are actually free. You will be burdened once you will be out of 12. And till that time also, until you get a professional degree and you stand on your 2 feet and you start earning on your own, till that time you're totally free. All right, so this freedom which was available with the child, it was something so charming in it. It has nothing to give but so many things to offer, and that was freedom. Freedom never comes easy, so that was something which touched this unemployed man, and he strike the bargain with this little child. Okay, children, I hope the meaning of the poem once again is clear to you. I shall take up
Yes.
the summary more in my next period. Shalini ma'am might be waiting, right? So thank you. Have a nice day.